With this exercise I'm going to show you some changes with the sketch lines. So if I start a sketched line, so you see the slider labels there, and I can tab through them, and if I change a value here, this angle to 40, if I press enter, then that locks that value in, so I can move the cursor around and you can see the angle doesn't change. So I can tab through the values again, come back to 40, and I can type in another value, press enter again, and it changes the value then. If I press escape, it then unlocks all the values and I can move around. So if I put 45 in again, press enter, you can see it locks it in. If I tab through the values again, come to the height there, if I type a value of 40 in there, press enter, now I've put enough variables in to be able to construct the geometry. So other changes, so circles, if I sketch circles, you're going to see some changes here. Look, so if I start with a center point, you'll see I get a dynamic preview. If I pick a second position, it then draws a circle. So I'll do the same thing again. I'll start from the edge this time. If I put the second point in position, press the space bar, you can see it tabs through the options. Now I need to pick a second point to construct that circle where I want it. Now another one from an edge position, second point, press the space bar, pick that, and now I'm going to pick a third point. So I'm now putting a circle through 3 points, 1, 2, 3. So 3 solutions with one command. So I'll just tidy this up, and there you go, finished item. Now this is a new command, offset elements. So we've got profiles here at the top, we've got some line elements, some circles, some concatenated lines and arcs, polyline, a curve there, and I've also got a solid and surface as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset with the new command all these pieces of geometry. So offset elements under edit function. So I'll select the lot, and in one go I'll offset all that geometry. So both the edges of the solids and the sheet body. So some of the variables we've got, we can offset the distance, we can put in how many copies we wish to have, so I can increase that, and you'll just get a dynamic preview. So I can reverse the side of the offset, I can put it on both sides. So let's just reduce these values a little bit. So some other functions we've got in here, and if I pick a line element, we can put a variable offset on. Now this only actually works on the single line elements. I can put in a number there, and you get some sliders here to change the variable offset. You can also, with lines, we can change them to be segments instead of actual lines, so they're construction lines instead. If we select just circles, you can see there's a offset with a slider, but it also shows us the reference of the radius that we selected to start with. Just swap it over to the next one. 15 there is the reference size.